In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the action needed. No internet issue on Windows 11. Let's start with the basics. When you see action needed or no internet on your Wi-Fi icon, it usually means Windows thinks your connection isn't fully working, even if your router is on. So we'll move from the simplest checks to slightly more advanced fixes, and you can stop as soon as your internet starts working again. First, check your physical connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure your device isn't in airplane mode and that Wi-Fi is actually turned on. Click the network icon on the taskbar and confirm that your Wi-Fi is enabled and you're connected to the correct network. If you're using an Ethernet cable, make sure the cable is firmly plugged into both your computer and your router or modem. A loose cable can easily trigger that no internet message. Next, power cycle your networking equipment. Unplug your router and modem from power. Wait at least 20 to 30 seconds. Then plug them back in. Give them a couple of minutes to fully restart. While they're rebooting, you can also restart your Windows 11 PC. A simple reboot often clears temporary glitches in the network stack. Once everything is back on, check again. If the problem persists, we'll run some of Windows' built-in tools. Click the Start button, open Settings, then go to Network and Internet. Here, look for the option called Network Troubleshooter or something similar. Run it and follow the on-screen prompts. Windows will scan for common issues like incorrect settings or adapter problems and attempt to fix them automatically. If that doesn't solve it, we'll reset some network components manually. Right-click the Start button and open Windows Terminal or Command Prompt as administrator. In the window that appears, type commands to reset the WinSock catalog and refresh IP settings, pressing Enter after each command. After running these commands, restart your computer so the changes take effect. Back in Settings, under Network and Internet, look for Advanced Network Settings and then Network Reset. This option reinstalls your network adapters and resets everything back to default. Keep in mind, you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks and re-enter your passwords afterward. So make sure you have them handy before proceeding. Click the Reset button, Confirm, and allow your PC to restart. When your computer boots back up, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or plug in your cable again and check the status. In many cases, by the time you've worked through these steps, that action needed, no internet warning in Windows 11 should be gone, and your connection should be back to normal.